Oh, man.
Auntie.
No, I'm recording you. Go keep doing it. Whoa, careful. What are you doing?
Goodness.
No, you're gonna fall and crack your head open.
Oh,
Stay on the rug, carpet.
okay.
No, he's not sick. He's just crabby.
No.
And why are you crabby, Bennett?
Because a bunch of water just spilled?
Because you're grounded?
No, a bunch of water seriously just spilled.
Who cares?
I care, I'm all wet.
Look at her. Oh,
Do they have it? Huh?
I don't see it.
I'll go to bed.
Okay. Say bye, peeps.
What?
Say bye, peeps.
Bye, babes.